Hi, my name is Jordan Raven, and this is your travel guide to the Alps of California, the beautiful Lake Arrowhead, here at Windsurf and Sun. Alright, first things first, let's talk about where you'll be staying on your trip here to this charming small town. On this trip, I recommend using Airbnb to find a nice, warm, cozy cabin you can stay in. On Airbnb, there is no shortage of cabins that suit your specific needs, and the prices are extremely fair. Make sure you find a place with a nice jacuzzi though, because it can get pretty freezing here at night. And I'm talking freezing. Kinda like... yeah, like that kind of freezing. And speaking of cold, let's talk about what kind of clothing you should be packing for this trip. Oh shoot. This ain't right. But vaya con Dios, bro. There we go. Much better. Nice and warm. That's right, during the winter it can get really cold, so be sure to pack your woolies. Also be very cautious of the road conditions because they can get pretty icy on the way up the mountain or in town. So, pack accordingly and bring snow chains if you need them. On the contrary, during the summer months, it can get nice and warm, which makes water activities such as water skiing or going out on a lovely boat cruise perfect. So be sure to stop by the Mackenzie Water Ski School for all your water activity needs. Now it's hard not to talk about Lake Arrowhead without mentioning the Lake Arrowhead Village. Everything you need to find on your stay can be found here, from groceries, souvenirs, activities. The village has it all. Looking for your next sugar fix? Look no further than Rocket Fizz. At Rocket Fizz, there is no shortage of exotic soda flavors and classic candies. Crave more sugar? And take a stop by the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory and chow down on some freshly made fudge. Let's take a break from all the sugar and switch to something a bit more extreme. Welcome to Pepper Palace. Here you can find all sorts of ways to torture yourself. One example is trying something that they call the end. Need I say more? It is their spiciest sauce, and words cannot describe the sheer and utter agony that it can inflict upon you and your soul. I only had a little drop of it. And it made me forget what planet I was on. Like, I got neuralized like in Men in Black.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you will, look right here.
They even make you sign a waiver just to even try it. I got the nasal napalm, which is the world's strongest horseradish. Which, might I add, is rather delicious. If you're liking my video so far, please hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram for more updates. Now, let's talk about where you can find some food here at the village. Looking for a bite to eat? Try Papagayos. They serve delicious Mexican cuisine. Or eat at Belgian Waffle House, where they serve a variety of different waffle dishes that are delicious. Duckers.
Little buddy, come back. It was working for a second. Come back.
Oh, it's calling me. In need of a nice adult beverage? Constantly. Then look no farther than the Lakefront Tap Room and Bar. Or try going to the Grapevine Wine Bar. Grab yourself a nice bottle of Cabernet Sauvignon and artisan cheese to pair. Looking for a good view of the lake? Hop aboard the Lake Arrowhead Queen and cruise around the lake and learn about the small town's rich history. Thrill seekers will be happy to know there are plenty of heart-pumping activities that'll be sure to raise your blood pressure. From ziplining in the Sky Village to intense, fast-paced mountain biking, you're sure to get your adrenaline pumping. Now there are so many more activities you can do here at Lake Arrowhead, I haven't even begun to scratch the surface. This mountain town holds so many more tricks up its sleeve that I urge you to get up there and explore it all yourself. I hope you found my travel guide helpful, and if you like this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and following on Instagram for new updates. It pushes me to travel more and give you guys the content that you all deserve, so thank you guys again. My name is Jordan Raven, and this has been Windsurfing Sun. I'll catch you guys in the next one.